basically these are on the issue of insecurity, da muke fama da shi a ƙasan baki ɗaya, northeast, northwest, north central. As far as I'm concerned, it is the failure of the political leadership. Even today, that was what I told the American ambassador. It is not any issue that we cannot handle as a country. It's not that Nigeria doesn't have the military capacity to deal with this. It's not anything that is beyond the capacity of Nigerian security services to deal with. Ariane. But no capacity to deal with it. Ariane, was it you? It's not possible. It's not a country like Nigeria.
Seriously.
So unless you have a leadership that can confront, all these structures and deal with them decisively, you can't, you can't resolve the issue. Azauna, actually a whole local government, is under the occupancy of bandits. Say Azauna, the village heads, the Azukaza, we negotiating, Mudinga biyan haraji kafin mu yi noma, kafin mu je kasuwa da sauransu. In a country like Nigeria, Zamfara, Sokoto, Kebbi, Katsina, Kaduna. Yes. So, believe me, it is the failure of leadership, political leadership. Yes. It is our responsibility that these issues are resolved so that our children and grandchildren can have a future. Otherwise, I can't. I have lived and worked in Borno and Yobe State before the states were split. There is no part of those two states that I did not go. No part that I did not go. And I remember before President Obasanjo, before this, when he was little head of state, he paid a visit to Maiduguri and came, and he said, and he saw what I was doing. He said, "What's your problem?" And he just send me more land robbers. They would say, "I come in 15 land robbers." There is no part of that part of the country that I don't know. Somebody to come and tell me that there is some Sambisa forest. I said, "Which forest?" I said, "Which forest?"